Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So connecting Etsy to ShipStation allows you to manage, process and ship Etsy orders more efficiently. Once connected, all your Etsy orders will automatically import into ShipStation, where you can create shipping labels, track shipments, and manage fulfillment in one place. Okay. This integration is especially useful for your sellers who ship many orders or want faster shipping workflows. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to connect Etsy to ShipStation in 2026 safely and correctly. So first thing, create a ShipStation account. So before connecting your Etsy shop, you need the ShipStation account. So go to ShipStation.com, click start free trial or sign up, for example. Create an account using email address, business details, and log into the ShipStation dashboard. Okay, after logging in, go to the ShipStation dashboard. As I said, click settings, select selling channels, and click store setup. So you will see a list of e-commerce platform. Choose Etsy. Okay, so to link Etsy shop, click connect a store to or marketplace. Select Etsy from the list and click connect. You will then be redirected to the Etsy login page. Sign into your Etsy seller account and click allow access. This authorizes ShipStation to import Etsy orders. Okay, so configure Etsy store settings. So after connecting your shop, you may need to configure your store nickname, order import settings, shipping defaults, notification preferences. Okay, save your settings, and these settings help automate shipping workflows. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.